Thank you for clicking on the video. Hopefully this is going to show you how to change a stylus on a 1970s vintage multi-stacking record player. This particular instance is a Fidelity HF45 record player from around about 1973, but they're all very similar, or the technique for replacing the stylus is very similar. So here we go. First thing to just bear in mind is this little metal bar here. This is like a spring-loaded tensioning bar, and it pushes the stylus onto the cartridge. So the first thing to do is to release the pressure. Use your fingernail. Try and release the pressure on the spring. See, I'm doing it there. I've got my fingers in the way, haven't I? Release the pressure off the spring, and then you can just simply pull the stylus out like that. You want to have a good look. I don't know if you can focus in on the spring. Well, there it is, and all you really need to do is get your finger in there, get your fingernail in there, and just pull it towards you slightly to ease the tension off. Fitting the new stylus is pretty much exactly the same, but in reverse. So you need to get your fingernail, take the pressure off the spring, get your new stylus, and with the pressure released, clip it in like that. Did you hear the little click? Put the pressure back on, and the stylus has been replaced. You'll know that you've got it right, because if you've got it wrong, it'll fall out. So as you can see, this one's okay. Just another point, I'm going to turn it over into its sort of working position. Let me sort of, this is how you'd be looking down on it from your record player. What you want to see is the LP flag showing. If you have got it wrong, you'll see the 78 flag. I don't know if the camera can focus in on it. The 78 is a dedicated needle for gramophones, and if you use that needle on a vinyl record, either a 33 or a 45, you're going to damage it pretty badly and pretty quickly. So you want to make sure that if you're not playing gramophone records, if you're playing vinyl records, 33s or 45s, you want to make sure that the flag is clicked over, so that when you look down on the record player, you see the LP sign. In this instance, it's LP.S. That just signifies it's a sapphire stylus. So I hope that's been helpful, and thank you very much for watching.